Hello everyone. This is our day two of learning data science with me, means data science with Mradul. This is what the name of my website is, datasciencewithmradul.versal.app. You can visit here and you can read the docs which I have uploaded here. This is our first milestone which we have completed, which is basic introduction to what data science is and what methodologies and tasks the field consists of. So the next tutorial is Introduction to Python. So let me give you of the official definition of Python, which is a Python is a general purpose, high level interpreted programming language. So high level programming language, which means there are uh, programming languages like assembly which works on system level. So yeah, the Python is more of a human understandable language through which we can communicate with our computer system. There are many high-level programming languages like C, C++, Java, and one of them is Python, C hash, etc., etc., etc. So yeah, to start doing Python, we have to download it from the official website. You can download it according to your operating system. I'll be using Google Colab to make you guys run the code and to make you see basically how output comes in Python. I'll be also teaching you some basics libraries and all. So yeah, downloading Python. We have completed this. So basic coding in Python. First of all, we should know that there is something like comment. Comment means the interpreter will ignore it. If you have written hash in front of a statement, the interpreter will totally ignore it. So yeah, here it is written as single line comment and print hello world. So let me run this. Yeah, you can clearly see that hello world is printed, but the that thing like single line comment is not printed. So, as I have written here, multi-line comments. Being frank, there is nothing like multi-line comments in Python. Uh, but there is a thing like if you are giving a uninitialized string, which is not at all initialized to a variable, and you are writing that string in three what we call them three inverted commas, double inverted commas. So the interpreter will not will not process it and will print it as it is written. So in Python we also have something like functions we did for we use like def keyword and function name like it is yeah, it has already given us. So the function name is greet. We will be passing an argument to a parameter name which will be printing the hello world here. So that easy it is. There are many I should say high level concepts in Python which you can learn through the documentation. I'll be teaching you some basics only. So to what we call it to run the Python on your terminal, you can use the Python keyword and after that the name of the file with .py extension. Importing the files and importing basically modules in Python. It is a very easy task as compared to Java. So you just have to write a statement that import and after that the library name. And there are some inbuilt functions in the libraries like sqrt, which will give us the square root of the function of the passed parameter. So as 16 is passed here as a parameter, then it will give us 4.0. It is that easy. So after that, introduction to NumPy. NumPy and Pandas are two important, libraries in Python, which we will be using which we'll be using in our data science journey. So, uh, yeah. if you want to install any package or any module in Python, you first have to, place an exclamation mark in front of the pip install statement. Pip is basically a package manager as we have it in Node.js to install node modules or to manage node modules. So pip install NumPy. NumPy is the name of our library. We are importing here NumPy as NP. NP will be representing NumPy in the whole, program. So let me just run this pip install NumPy. So as I have, basically, uh, I just ran it before showing you guys to just check that uh, is 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 the syntax proper or not. The putting the exclamation mark is important when you are using Google Colab, but if you are using on your terminal, you don't have to put the exclamation mark. So yeah, array is a function in NumPy which gives us an array in return, which returns us an array. So yeah, np.array, np which is the uh, NumPy, NumPy's representation in our program. Also, we can just directly multiply the array with two. Sorry, we can just give it a power of two by applying double star over there. And so I didn't give you the official definition of NumPy, my bad. NumPy's full form is numerical Python. It is a library for numerical computing offering support for multidimensional arrays and mathematical operators. As I told you that it consists of various mathematical operators which gives us the output like array, string array, and we can also we can also get multidimensional arrays and all. Another important library which is Pandas. Pandas is a library for data manipulation, analysis, and providing data structures for series and data frames. Okay. So data frames, like as we did for NumPy, we will be installing Python. It is already installed, but I'm running this to show you guys that how things work here. So importing Pandas as PD, as we did NumPy, as we did NM for NumPy. So yeah, data is stored here in JSON format, which is converted into data frame by using the function of data frame. And after, you can here see that we are accessing the column name. We can access the columns of the you know the to the assigned variable. In terms of assigned variable, you can use the columns of your data frame. So these are very, very basic things about Python. You can mostly learn them through the documentation or, there are various tutorials about Python. So you can easily learn it. It is not a very difficult programming language. So yeah, that's all for today. Your today's task will be to, learn some more concepts about Python, which we will be using. So that's all for the day. Thank you very much.